What's up guys, Paul Gray here. Welcome back to this video series on creating and deploying tokens, NFTs and more with thirdweb's audited smart contract templates. Last time we deployed a very simple ERC20 token smart contract. Today we're going to take a look at the control panel for your token, minting, airdropping, and why you might want to use the ERC20 token drop contract instead. So once you've deployed your ERC20 token, head on over to your overview page in thirdweb and select the contracts tab. From here you can see your deployed contracts, including our headbang meme coin we created previously. Click on the contract and it will take you to this very helpful admin panel with a stack of features relating to our token contract. First you'll see this contract checklist that shows we've deployed it, but we're yet to mint our first token. So head on over to the tokens tab, and the first thing you'll notice is that we have 4 buttons, but only one is available to click. That's because we cannot burn or transfer tokens that do not yet exist. Total supply, 0 bang. Hit mint, choose your supply, and let's mint some tokens. We can also see we can now burn, airdrop, or transfer our freshly minted tokens. But we'll come back to that. Now, the really cool thing about thirdweb is their simple API and all the handy code snippets they give you. Say you're a developer and you have a web app that you want to easily interact with. You can do all of that using these functions and events provided for the JavaScript, React, and React Native library. Next is the Explorer that actually lets you try these functions in real time from your browser, like the mint2 function that lets you define an address and an amount of tokens to mint. Then you can simulate the transaction and execute if everything looks good. Extremely useful if you're used to simply interacting with the raw smart contract from the Explorer. Events. Here's where we can see in an instant anything that's happened on chain in relation to our contract, like mint, transfer, burn, and more. Settings, you can update the token details on chain, including the token logo, but remember this will cost gas, so make sure you have some Ethereum in your wallet. Sources if you want to get down and dirty with the actual source code. It's all there for you to peruse and verify. Our tokens page takes us back to the main actions page that allows us to quickly mint, burn, airdrop, and transfer our tokens. Finally, the permissions page is where we can update which wallets are in charge of our contract. For example, once you've minted say your full supply and you want to cap the max supply after like 1 billion tokens or something like that, then you would simply remove the minter or creator wallet from here, essentially blocking the contract's ability to mint new tokens. So we've minted a bunch of tokens, but now you want to distribute them, right? Well, here's where things get a little tricky. The basic ERC20 token contract allows us to transfer tokens or mint them. No worries. That works. But what if you want to automate the distribution instead of transferring or airdropping to each individual wallet yourself? I found this really interesting smart contract called Token Drop, which is similar to the ERC20 token contract but has an additional drop feature set. This drop feature makes it super easy to distribute your token efficiently with contract level restrictions to help mitigate abuse of a claim or a faucet feature on your website. In our next video we'll cover this token drop smart contract, and I'll even show you how to integrate a simple claim function right into your website.